up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Y'all, it is Wednesday, March 29th. I'm finna get ready to clean out this refrigerator. Y'all see I already pulled it out of its place. So I'm finna get ready to clean that out. And all this food at the end of the counter, that's everything that came out of it. And I just thawed this big thing of ground beef out so I can get ready so I can cook the kids some dinner tonight. So yeah, I'm finna get the day started, y'all. Hope y'all day is going well. So let's get started on cleaning this refrigerator out.
That's your mama.
Yeah, my phone died while I was cleaning up the refrigerator. So I'm sorry y'all did not get all that footage, but I done cleaned out the refrigerator. My camera looked tilted. Shoot.